Should be right here on Skype. Like a judge. Stand there so he can see you. And there you go. State your name for him.
My name is Jason Jones.
Okay, Mr. Jones, do you have a middle name?
Allen?
Allen?
Yes.
Okay. Still reside at 808 Arizona Highway 260, number 24?
No, I've never. That's not my address.
Okay. What is your address?
Oh, yeah. That's the campgrounds. I didn't know the address for the campgrounds. That's where I'm at.
Okay, let me put that back in there. I just got done.
Okay. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Yeah, I had the travel through there.
Let me just get that back up here. 808. Do you have an email address?
Yes. Jason 910 at gmail.com.
Okay, let me double check those numbers. It's Jason9 at Gmail.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And then your phone ends in 2822.
Yes.
Okay. The state is alleging one charge against you. It's a felony charge for aggravated driving under the influence of alcohol. On that charge, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I have scheduled you for a preliminary hearing. That's a hearing for felony charges. It's a class 4 felony that will be done in front of a judge or in front of a grand jury to determine if there's probable cause to charge you with that crime, not convict you, but just charge you. If at that preliminary hearing they reach probable cause, which is the charging threshold, your case will be bound over to the Gila County Superior Court. If they are unable to reach probable cause, the case will be dismissed and that'll be the end of it. If they decide to take the case in front of a grand jury, you'll be notified at that address. So if you have a better address, we also got your email, that you don't have to appear. But as of now, we don't know if they're going to take the case in front of a grand jury. So you're ordered to be in court at that date and time until otherwise notified. When you're released from custody, I have some conditions that you need to abide by. Number 1 is obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately if your address changes or you receive a more permanent address. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Do not possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription. So that's a key one, Mr. Jones. You have prior arrests for the same charge. In my consideration to release you, I'm going to be paying attention to that one extremely close. So as of now, I mean, you're a grown adult. I am not going to tell you you can't drink forever. But what I am doing is ordering you not to drink or do drugs without a prescription until these court proceedings are done. So that could be a month or so. You're not to have any alcohol. Not be in possession of it, not be consuming it, okay? And then do not drive a vehicle on a public roadway unless you're licensed to do so. And also do not possess any firearms because it's a felony allegation.
Okay.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So can you abide by those release conditions I just told you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, particularly the one I told you where you're not to possess or consume any alcohol.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance then. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, that'll be all then.
Okay.